In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Venmo account to Splitwise. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can settle up with friends quickly and smoothly. Before we dive in, there are two quick things you should have ready. First, make sure you already have a Venmo account set up. Second, Venmo should be installed on your phone, or at least you should be logged in and able to access it on the same device you're using for Splitwise. This will make the connection process much easier. Also keep in mind that the Venmo and Splitwise integration is only available in certain regions, mainly within the United States. If you're outside the US, you might not see the Venmo option at all, and that's because of regional restrictions, not because you're doing anything wrong. Let's start by going to Splitwise. Open your browser and head to the Splitwise website, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your dashboard, you should see your list of groups, friends, and balances at a glance. This is the main screen where you'll manage your shared expenses. Next, look for the option labeled Settle Up. You'll typically find this near your balances or at the top of the screen when you're viewing what you owe or what others owe you. Go ahead and click on Settle Up. This is the button that starts the payment process inside Splitwise. If you're in a supported region, this is where you'll eventually see Venmo as one of the ways to pay. After clicking Settle Up, Splitwise will prompt you to choose a payment method. Here, you'll be presented with different options depending on what's available in your country and on your device. Look for Venmo in that list. When you select Venmo, Splitwise will either open the Venmo app on your phone or redirect you to Venmo in your browser. This is how the two services link together for the payment. Once you've chosen Venmo as your payment method, Splitwise will usually give you an option to save this choice so it's easier next time. Look for a button or link that says Save and click on it. Saving confirms your selection and lets Splitwise remember that Venmo is your preferred way to settle expenses, so you won't have to set it up again each time. And that's it. You've added your Venmo account to Splitwise and set it up as a payment method, making future settlements faster and more convenient.